If you want to learn how to emote dash, you're in the right video right now. I'm gonna teach you how to emote dash. I'm gonna teach you how to emote dash. First, go here. If your map is dropped. If you want to equip a launcher, just equip it if you want. And do this. Crouch and do a moving emote. And you do this. I did it wrong. Bro, I am lagging! As you see, I'm lagging and it's Angry Bobo. So we're dead. Bro, what? Bobo isn't please. I'm gonna heal people because I'm so nice. And I'm gonna die right here, right now. Or I don't know because I'm so bad. I think I can emote dash. No. Dash. You crouch and... No, red. Wait. You crouch and put a moving emote. Like this. Let's do this end removal. You need to do this. Crouch and put a moving emote and do it. And move your screen like do it again.
Hindi mo nag-log.
There. Bro, why?
I don't understand you. Why
No,
can't you backslide?